designed to pick up tiny changes that a human might easily miss. Some sensors measure water flow, knowing how much water usually passes through a pipe. Other sensors are like tiny microphones, listening for specific sounds. The sound of a tiny drip or a hiss has a unique acoustic signature. There are also sensors that can feel vibrations. A change in pressure or a new leak can cause subtle vibrations in the pipe. These sensors collect all this information continuously. They gather a huge amount of data over time, including flow rates, acoustic patterns, and vibration levels. All this information is then sent to the AI system. It's like having a vigilant guard for your pipes, always watching. Once the AI system gets all this data, its brainy work begins. The AI analyzes all the incoming information using complex algorithms. The AI learns what is normal for your specific pipes. It understands your usual water usage patterns. It knows the normal sounds and vibrations. It creates a baseline, a sort of healthy pipe profile. Then, the AI acts like a detective. It constantly compares new data from the sensors to this normal baseline. If something changes, the AI notices it immediately. Perhaps the water flow is a tiny bit higher than usual at 3 a.m., or maybe a new, faint sound pattern appears. The AI is programmed to spot these anomalies. If the change matches a pattern that suggests a leak, it flags it. It can then send an alert to your phone or to a building manager. The benefits of using AI for leak detection are huge. When leaks are found early, you stop wasting water and avoid massive repair costs. This technology can save homeowners and businesses a lot of money. It's a smart investment that pays for itself. Let's imagine some real-life scenarios. Think of a large apartment building with hundreds of pipes hidden in walls and floors. A tiny pinhole leak starts in a pipe on the 5th floor. Nobody sees it or hears it, but the building has an AI leak detection system. The AI sensors pick up a very slight, unusual sound. They also note a tiny, persistent water flow when no taps are open. The AI sends an alert to the building manager. A plumber checks and finds the small leak. It's fixed before it can flood the apartment below or cause mold. Amazing, right? Consider a city's water company with miles of main water pipes buried underground. Finding leaks in these large networks is incredibly difficult. But now, they use AI. The AI system analyzes data from sensors placed along these main lines. One day, it detects a subtle pressure drop and an acoustic anomaly in a specific section. It indicates a small, slowly growing underground leak. Fixing it early saves millions of gallons of water and prevents a possible sinkhole or road collapse. AI is revolutionizing how we find hidden pipe leaks. It's a wonderful example of how technology can make a real positive difference in our lives.